Is Roblox refusing to launch on your Windows 11 PC? Don't smash your keyboard just yet, this video's got you covered. First, let's try the compatibility trick. Find the Roblox player icon, right-click it, and select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Now check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and select Windows 8 from the drop-down menu. Next, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Try launching Roblox again. Still no luck. Let's dive into your internet settings. Type Internet Options in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you find Use TLS 1.2. Make sure this box is checked. If it's not, check it. Click Apply, and then OK. One more thing, head to your installed apps in Windows settings. Find Roblox Player. Click the three dots, then click Uninstall. Once uninstalled, just re-download Roblox from the official website and try launching the game again. Fingers crossed, you're back in the metaverse. Enjoy.